Today I'm unboxing the EGR high capacity battery for V10 models vacuum cleaner. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion, but I needed a new one because my current battery is just not holding a charge. Now when I open this up, I see that it does come with two new filters right here. And then as I look down inside of here, it looks like we got a little bag of screws, a screwdriver, and another little bag of screws. And then down here we have the actual battery itself. It's packaged in bubble wrap and it was sitting down in styrofoam. So this is what it looks like, has that cap on it right there. One thing I really like is how straightforward this replacement seems to be. It doesn't feel overly complicated to install, and even right here on the side of the box explains everything clearly. It's also nice to see a replacement option that feels solid and well built right out of the box. So I'm going to be installing this soon and using it to see how it performs over time. But for now, I'm very happy with how it came packaged and I am looking forward to using this. If you need a new battery, then definitely check this one out.